Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out that your job is now done better, faster, and cheaper by artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. Today, I'm revealing 5 AI tools already replacing human jobs, and the last one on this list might just shock you. Let's see if your job is safe or next in line. In this video, we'll uncover 5 powerful AI tools that are transforming industries, from writing and customer service to law, coding, and even creative design. You'll learn what each tool does, the real website link so you can try it yourself, and exactly which jobs are at risk. Stick around until the end. I'll share a free tool that anyone can use to future-proof their career, and it's surprisingly powerful. All right, let's dive into the future of work. Harvey AI. The AI lawyer law firms are already using Harvey AI to draft contracts, summarize case files, and even suggest legal strategies. It's built specifically for legal professionals and trained on massive databases of case law. Jobs affected: paralegals, junior associates, and legal researchers. You won't believe this. In early trials, Harvey AI completed some legal research tasks faster than senior lawyers. Of course, human lawyers still make final decisions, but the repetitive, research-heavy tasks, those are disappearing quickly. Second one is GitHub Copilot, the AI coder. GitHub Copilot is an AI assistant for programmers. It suggests lines of code, writes entire functions, and even explains errors in real time. Think of it as having a senior developer looking over your shoulder, 24/7 jobs affected. Junior developers, software testers, and even some freelance coders. A startup once took 3 weeks to develop a feature. With Copilot, they built a similar one in just 2 days. And here's the part you might not expect. AI isn't just replacing logic-based jobs. It's even stepping into creative storytelling. Third one is Synthesia, AI video presenter. Synthesia creates realistic AI presenters that can deliver scripts in multiple languages, perfect for training videos, explainer content, or corporate communications. Jobs affected: video presenters, language voiceover artists, and some training staff. The AI avatars look and sound incredibly real, and you can update your videos anytime without booking a studio, hiring actors, or paying for reshoots. Yes, this means companies can have a virtual spokesperson who never takes a day off, never needs makeup, and speaks over 120 languages. By the way, if you're diving into AI-generated art, having the right setup helps a lot. I recommend the Huion Canvas Pro 16 drawing tablet. It's perfect for refining your AI images and making small edits. I've added the Amazon link in the description so you can check it out. Fourth one is ChatGPT 5, the ultimate conversational AI. In just 2 years, ChatGPT 5 has gone from a novelty to a serious workplace disruptor. From drafting legal documents, writing blog posts, generating marketing campaigns, to even creating lesson plans. It's replacing entry-level writers, assistants, and researchers. You can give it instructions like, write a 500-word product description for a new smartwatch, and it will deliver it in seconds, polished and ready to use. Jobs affected: copywriters, virtual assistants, content creators, and some customer service roles. This might surprise you, but some companies have already replaced entire writing teams with AI like ChatGPT 5, and their clients didn't even notice. But what if AI could also replace artists? Fifth one is Midjourney, AI-generated art and design. Midjourney is an AI art generator that turns text prompts into stunning, high-quality images. Need a product concept, a book cover, or a marketing poster? Just describe it, and Midjourney creates professional-level visuals in under a minute. Jobs affected: graphic designers, illustrators, and some advertising creatives. A small e-commerce store owner can type minimalist coffee mug ad with warm lighting and instantly get images ready for social media without hiring a designer. And here's where it gets wild. The AI learns styles so well, it can mimic your past work, making it almost indistinguishable from human design. Bonus, free AI tool, Google Bard. And here's a bonus. Google Bard is completely free. While similar to ChatGPT, it's better for quick research and integrates directly with Google Search. If you're not ready to pay for premium AI tools, Bard is an easy way to start learning how to work with AI right now. So we looked at Harvey AI, legal research in minutes GitHub Copilot, coding at lightning speed Synthesia, AI video presenters ChatGPT, the all-in-one writer and researcher Midjourney, AI art that rivals human designers, plus the free Google Bard. The future of work is here, and AI isn't just coming for one job. It's reshaping industries. The best move? Learn these tools now, before they learn to replace you. If you found this video eye-opening, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into the AI tools changing the world. Drop a comment telling me which job you think is most at risk. I'll be reading every single one. Thanks for watching, and remember, the smartest workers in the future will be the ones working with AI, not against it. If you want, I can now make you a clip-by-clip editing guide for this script, showing exactly which stock videos, animations, and sound effects to use so your video gets maximum retention. That would turn this script into a complete ready-to-produce package.